eyes, can you reach me? Let me know when you're outside. You know I'm waiting for you. Can you handle the ride away?
Welcome back, guys. Alright, so today I'm gonna be doing this tutorial. You know, this is gonna be catering to all my women of color. I did my brows off camera, and now I'm gonna just focus on the eyes. So basically I wanted to do like a very colorful eyeshadow look that would be suitable for women of color slash dark skin. So the first thing I'm jumping in with is PETITE-SUE Sistar Cosmetics concealer in golden beige. Now, you know, as a dark skin chica, it's very important that you base your eyelids because this will help the eyeshadow to appear more vibrant. I feel like it's definitely a very important step. It also helps the longevity of the eyeshadow. You really don't want to miss out on this step. You could use an eyeshadow primer as well, but you know, I find that when you use like a very light concealer, like what I'm doing here. So today, everything that I believe, well, most of the products I'm using on my eyes will be from my BoxyCharm. This is my August BoxyCharm, and this is the palette I'm using to achieve this beautiful look today. Is the Laura Party Animal eyeshadow palette. Guys, when I saw the colors, I was so impressed. I got this Smashbox liquid lipstick, and the name of it is Always On. I got this DLS Cosmetics gel liner in the shade Chocolate. I got this Adhesive New York Age Defying Nail Treatment Essentials Oil, and I got some face masks. This is the Wanda Beauty, and this is a Baggage Claim Gold Eye Masks. Yeah, that's it for what I got in this month's BoxyCharm. Always so excited to get my BoxyCharm products, guys. Like, I believe it's such a very affordable subscription service, and you know, you get full-size products, and these are high-end products, you know. And I must say, I'm always excited to try them out. So yeah, the link for BoxyCharm will be in my description box. So to start this look off, the first shade I went in with was Dranks, and this is the perfect vibrant orange eyeshadow. I saw it and my mind I just thought about transition. Like, it's just a beautiful transition color, and what this does is just help your eyeshadow look to really flow, and it doesn't look too drastic in the crease. You know, this really helps things to, you know, just have that nice blend effect. So I really just build that color up in the crease area and diffuse it out, really blow it out. I then move on to this blue, and it's Karaoke, and mixing it with the orange really gave off purple vibes. I didn't mind. Initially I was kind of going to bring it a little higher. I didn't, so when I went ahead and cut the crease, it kind of canceled it out, but I didn't mind because I went ahead and reapplied it again. So I'm just taking my time to diffuse that and work that in as well. But as I said, right here when I was cutting the crease, most of that shadow got canceled. I reapplied it later though, so you could definitely just skip the step where I applied Karaoke. That's if you want to recreate this look, that is. And as I said, I'm going to be doing a detailed cut crease tutorial very soon. So I went in with my golden beige concealer again from Sistar to cut the crease. I'm diffusing the edges here, which is very important because you don't want to have harsh lines in your look. You want everything to blend and look nice. So I'm going back in with Karaoke on the edge there, as I mentioned before, and I'm just really building that up, and you see how vibrant everything is coming off. And you know, this is because we based our lids, you know. So after applying that shadow, I'm going on the inner portion of my eye with ISSA Party. That's the name of this shade. It's a beautiful like lime green, very gorgeous. Let's pretty much pat the shades on because, you know, with this motion you get the best color payoff and it appears more opaque, you know. In the middle, I'm going to be applying Damage Control, which is gorgeous. It's a gorgeous blue, very beautiful, love it. So I just, you know, pat that in and kind of overlap each shadow on each other so that everything kind of blends into each other. Yeah, after applying all the shadows, I said, you know what, I want to add a little glitter. So I got my glitter adhesive here and some glitter from Voss. The shade will be listed in the description. I applied this, basically just mix the two substances together and dab that onto the center, just the center. And that was it for the shadows. I'm now going to apply my wing liner because I definitely opted for wing today. So this is definitely one of my favorite gel liners at the moment. This is pretty Vulgar in, I believe, black ink. It's so pigmented, so creamy, so easy to apply and work with. Oh, love it, love it, love it. I got this from BoxyCharm as well, guys. Now I'm going in with this. Oh, I got this in this month's BoxyCharm as well, this lash. It's from House of Lashes and it's in Pretty Mini, Wispy Mini. I applied that off camera. Now for the bottom portion of my my lower lash line, I'm gonna be taking Bottoms Up and this is pink. It has hints of glitter in there, not super like boom, but yeah. And yeah, that was it. I did my face makeup off camera just because the focus was for the eyes. I came back and sprayed my face with my Mario Badescu cucumber water, dab that in so everything looked like skin. Now for the glow, I'm using my Sugar Daddy Illuminator from Artist Couture. And I am just building that up to my liking. I applied that to all the high points of my face. Now to just, you know, finish this look off, I took my gloss bomb from Fenty Beauty, and that's it. Because with so much going on in the eyes, some people will say you should have used a color, but I'm just not. Nah, I wasn't feeling that. So I wanted the lips to be muted and just glossy. So yeah, and I topped it off with some mascara on my lower lashes. And this was from Unlashed as well. This is also a mascara I received from my BoxyCharm. See, I tell you, BoxyCharm, be the plug. Guys, you need to check it out. But that's it for this look today. I hope, you know, it was somewhat informative to you guys. I hope it helped you out, and I hope I shed some light and let you know that, you know, as a woman of color, don't limit yourself from going out there and doing dramatic looks or playing with color. You can definitely rock it. Like, just don't be afraid to try new things. Okay, so yeah, that's it for today, guys. I hope you really enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumb up, and I'll see you guys in my next video. So until next time, I'm Girl Petite.